Ever wondered how much more fulfilling your life could be if you achieved a perfect work-life balance? Let's take a moment to walk in the shoes of John. John is an everyday man, hardworking and dedicated. His life is a constant whirlwind, a relentless dance between a demanding job and a personal life that craves his attention. Every day, John battles the clock, trying to squeeze in every moment like a puzzle piece that just won't fit. Stress is his constant companion, shadowing him in the boardroom, following him home, and robbing him of peace even in his sleep. His life feels like a marathon with no finish line, leaving him gasping for breath and yearning for fulfillment. What John is grappling with is not unique, it's a struggle millions face daily, the struggle for work-life balance, a struggle that's as demanding as it is crucial. John, like many of us, is caught in the crossfire, yearning for a balance that seems elusive. But what if there was a way out, a path to a more balanced life? Picture this: John, a high-flying executive, always busy, always on the go. His life was a whirlwind of meetings, deadlines, and obligations, but one day it all came to a screeching halt. A missed birthday party, a disappointed child's face. It was a wake-up call, a stark reminder that life was slipping away while he was buried in work. This was John's turning point. It was a moment of self-reflection, a moment that stirred within him a profound realization. He saw the need for change, not only for himself but for the people he loved. It wasn't a smooth journey, it took courage to face the mirror and admit that his life was out of balance. But he did it. He took a step back, took a deep breath, and made a choice. In that moment, John decided to rewrite his story, to step onto the path of balance. What does it take to walk this path of balance? Well, for John, it was about setting clear boundaries between his work and personal life. He made it a point to switch off his work devices after working hours, creating a mental and physical separation from his job. Prioritizing health was another strategy that John employed. He made time for regular exercise and wholesome meals, understanding that a healthy body houses a healthy mind. John also learned the art of delegation. He understood that he cannot and should not do everything himself. Sharing responsibilities eased his workload and stress levels. Lastly, John rediscovered his love for hobbies and relaxation. He understood that work is just one facet of life, and personal happiness lies in exploring various interests and passions. These changes didn't just improve his work-life balance, they enriched his life. John's journey was not easy, but it was worth it. He found his balance, and with it, a more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.